wasn't good. All right, this is Dad Random, and I've got the DoMain 4.2 by GepRc, and I'm going to do a little bit of speed flying here. I'm on a field. I haven't flown much yet with it, so I've got a nice safe place to land. That's kind of what the moral of the story is to find a nice, safe, easy place where I can put this thing into some aerobatics with not a lot of fear. So I'm going to try to keep it simple today. Just try to get a feel for its speed, a feel for its ability to float, maneuver, and things like that. But yeah, this is kind of the first I call freestyle maiden. So for Dad Random, all right, here we go. GepRc DoMain freestyle. All right, here we go. Maybe not so much. We'll see. All right. So this specific battery. Is I think it's a 1200. So it's a 1200, 6S 1200 Tattoo, no, R-Line, yeah, R-Line Tattoo battery. So good punch, we're fully charged this time. We've got battery warning, so let's go ahead and give it some power. We'll see if we can get connected to the GPS. I don't know how long that's going to take. So it looks like we're connected. Looks good. Got battery. Let's see if we got video. One thing we want to see if we can get is a, let's go ahead and we can launch from right next to me right there. That looks good. Let's see if we can get GPS. Oh yeah, my OSD is much better. We got OSD good. I can see everything except for the bottom stuff right now because, yeah, we got GPS. All right. So we are disarmed. We have GPS. Let's fly. So there we go. We can arm. There we go. Oh, wow. Look at that field, too. That's another thing that's cool. But, yeah, this is really its first, what I consider to be its first flight. Wow. And yeah, OSD and everything are. So we're going to do a little bit of precision flying today because we want to make sure that when we do take this thing out to other places that we have a ability to control it. Other thing is we're going to look at battery performance. So for a 1200, and this is a pretty good 1200. This one doesn't have a lot of use. So, and we may try the landing. I do have it set up for GPS rescue. So see, we'll get low and see how low and precise we can be. We got video. And wow, this thing, we are screaming. So really cool. So let's do a little test here. There's the GPS rescue. All right, let's see what it does. It's returning. And we should have a precise GPS, a precise GPS location that is, so it's right above us. And it's coming down. I don't know. Oh yeah, it's coming down on us, all right. Not bad. That's pretty good. Right there, check it out. Here it is. There's our landing. It's actually correcting itself. Check this out. Check that out. So So there it is right there. And it actually self-corrected. And it landed smoothly. That is cool. That is really cool. For pilots like me who who are not the greatest pilots, that is excellent. That is really cool. So, all right, let's get the GPS off. Let's rearm it, and let's use up some more of the battery. Yeah, so we've got a little bit of battery left. A little bit of freestyle here. See if we can control it inside of that area there. Yeah, there we go. Yeah, without a camera, this thing is, yeah, just ripping. And I, you know, my rate settings are pretty good. There we go. Getting a little tighter. Okay, you can see that I loosened up my flying a little bit. Oh, there we go. Almost, we almost hit the pole there. And I moved my head like that wasn't going to make any difference. But nice flight. There we go. Go down underneath there. There we go. Turn it around there and get it back through. Oh, that wasn't good. We hit the pole that time. That wasn't good. I think we might have lost the prop there. That could be it. I think we lost the prop. I dinged the pole, so oh well. That possibly may not be good, because if I did, let's go ahead and turn on our beeper. I don't hear the beeper going, so let's put all our throttle sticks down and let's go check out the bird. Let's go check it out. We'll definitely be able to see on our video, so let's check it out. That was still a fun flight. Now I just got to get some props. Get some more props already. Order your DoMain 4.2 with props, extra props. So here we go. Here's the good or bad news. Here we go. Let's see what we got going on here. Looks like we just spun the prop. That's good. So that's good. That's good. This one's just spun. We can just tighten it up. So that's not bad. So all right, that's not bad at all. Well, that's just a bolt, you know. These things are beefy. But let's see, camera looks good. We're good with the camera. GPS is a little wonky. Let's see, got the GPS a little wonky there. We'll straighten that out. Nothing broken. All right, so that was pretty cool. All right, so right there's the DoMain. And we were pretty much done with our battery at that point. We still had really good control. Just got a little bit loose with that turn. So cool. All right, that random DoMain Freestyle. Crash survival, yes. And let's turn the battery. Let's unplug the battery. So yeah, we definitely have to move our GPS a little bit. There we go. Now it's at a correct angle right there. But looks like camera's good, but we just spun a prop, so that's not a problem, man. Not a problem at all. That is not a problem. We can definitely fix that. So, all right, dead random. All right, DoMain 4.2 inch Freestyle, maiden flight and Freestyle. That wasn't bad. You know, that's good for me. Later, bye.